Okay, this is how we fix a grate. So if you've got one of these highfalutin refrigerators with the glass doors, and you travel it around in a truck because you work it for a carnival, this is how you fix it. Now you got to get this guy here because he knows how to fix it. He's got these things called screws, and he's got this thing called plumber's tape. Now plumber's tape isn't sticky. What it is for supporting pipes. Plumbers use it to screw pipes to joists and rafters. Sometimes we used to use plumber's tape for water heaters, and then the government said it's not strong enough, and so you have to buy special stuff now.
It's nice and flexible.
It's nice and flexible, yeah.
And it's already got holes in it.
It's already got holes in it, good. All right, so what happens is this plastic crate here gets beat up by the guys that work on this truck because they have big carts and they're really strong. And so we have to make it bulletproof so that we don't break it for the fourth time. You can chime in anytime if I'm Oh, what a great... So this guy here that's fixing it, he's quite the engineer. He's an engineer extraordinaire. He can build anything. He can make anything, and he can also destroy anything. He can do it all. But he's got that kind of engineering mind. Whereas guys like me, I don't have an engineering mind. I just buy it new. Which usually means why I'm broke. And the guy came to put the swamp cooler on the house today, and he says, I want to come later because it's raining. I'm like, it's not raining. Oh, now what do you call those? Weiss? Those
tin
are
snips.
Weiss, tin snips. They're right hand, left hand, straight, crooked, all different kinds of tin snips. My dad had those. I didn't know how to use them. There you go. You bend it back and forth.
You been to Hawaii before?
All right. So I think that part is what he's fixing, and on the other side it cracked. Oh, mira, it's cracking here too. Yeah, this side's cracking too. So, oh, and it's splitting here in the middle too. This thing's brittle. It's just brittle. It's falling apart. So I think what we're gonna do when we're done with this is we're gonna get 1/4-inch pieces of aluminum strap, and we're gonna put aluminum strap right across it. That'll work. Maybe 2-inch aluminum straps. And then we can put flex tape on it. Flex tape will hold anything.
Flex steel.
We'll get flex steel. You know, I'm gonna get a copyright strike because of the music now. I can't even post this. It's okay. I don't care about money. I like copyright strikes.
It's not Bob Marley. Bob Marley.
Who is this? Is it Bob? That chicken soup was so good.
You liked it?
Oh, it was so good.
I agree.
I had the tomato, but I will just say the tomato was good, but the chicken noodle was out of this world.
Awesome.
Or chicken tortilla. It wasn't chicken noodle, it was chicken tortilla, yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's it.
That's it? Alright, that's in. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one.